The MSC Endovascular Training Programs are designed to build your competence and confidence in a variety of endovascular interventions. You will work side by side with our clinical education specialists through didactic and hands-on simulation components that provide you with comprehensive hospital-based procedural knowledge. MSC's Peripheral Intervention Training Programs include superficial femoral artery repair, below-the-knee repair, renal artery repair, and iliac artery repair. Participants in these programs will learn about anatomy and common variations of anatomy, common lab setups, disease identification and treatment, peripheral artery disease recognition and treatment, clinical limb ischemia recognition and treatment, device selection, and sizing.